About Lawrence here? No. Well, just tell them about, you're playing baseball, right?
I did play baseball. I'm playing football now.
Yeah?
And
What position you play?
I play fullback, wingback.
Yeah?
That's all.
Well, that's pretty good. You got a good team?
Yeah.
I think. Excellent. Oh, we got Todd. Well, they live there's from there to there. And Todd lives right down there where that black car is. Pretty nice. Ryan and Matt gonna want to see where you live. See, there's kids. There's kids. You like it down here? Huh?
Yeah.
It's pretty nice, isn't it, really?
Yeah, but everything's too far away.
Oh. Well, yeah, you're just used to walking out your back door in Elk Point.
Yeah.
There it is. Other guy, and that's, what's his name, Pete?
Michael.
Michael, oh, I knew that. Michael Bird. I'm going to show this to my daughter when she gets home. She wants to see you. She don't remember you very well. You remember her? I didn't think so. Here they come after the shopping spree. We've been shopping. See, I didn't get any Kevin. I got Darren the other day, but I didn't get you. And then, oh, who's that? Oh. Yeah. Oh.
I'm surprised
Huh?
when you filmed Darren it didn't break the camera.
Well, it's quaking.
He's filming you.
I got Darren the other day. I only get 2 pictures of him.
Is that why you got a new lens cap on?
Oh, the lens cap isn't on there, is it?
No.
Okay.
Better open
Quite an area, I'll tell you.
Whoop. We got to open the trunk. Let me get the key. We got everybody here. Kevin, Darren.
I'll fix the bowl of sugar for you if you want it.
Eat lunch and then go.
Hey, Jenny? Is that great? Is that just one house? Oh, is there one on the other side? Yeah, there, I can see it.
All 3 of these are our house. Yeah, this whole thing's our house.
What? What? We want to make sure we remember you. Oh my gosh, did you see that? We'll just...
3. You mean on the trunk?
Oh. Yeah, on that side. Are you going to put it?
Well, that's Jane. We don't need any of Jane. Shoot. What? Where'd you go? This does not bite. Yeah. Okay, now this is movie picture, so do something.
First time in my life I held my 2 grandkids at once.
I think I got it.
I want to get in
Go
trouble.
upstairs.
Here I am.
Oh, there's Mom's.
There's Mom's.
Ugly fruit. Well, this is nice. I like it.
Is your bag back?
What?
See if Kansas
We go
City's on.
upstairs.
It's outside.
I'll take it.
We go to the kitchen. We get bath. What's that? Start talking now.
If I were you, I wouldn't film Darren. I can hear that lens cracking. You're so...
You guys up getting your bag?
I'm going to.
Go pack. Well, I get any pack.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
You guys want some lunch before you leave?
Oh no, Denny.
Yeah.
You fed us enough.
No!
At the end of the day. You didn't get up early enough to get
You fed
there.
us breakfast yesterday and today.
You aren't leaving yet? Whoa. Ice cubes? God, you're
Didn't Christian Okoye play for Kansas City? What happened to him? Cutting. Cutting.
Why?
Christian Okoye.
Why'd they cut it? He wanted more.
Changed that very word.
They wanted because he wanted more money.
Well, he was their main rusher, wasn't he?
Yeah, but they changed the offense. Changed the offense. They went to a Joe Montana.
Yeah, but I just thought if you had him plus Joe Montana and a couple receivers. Yeah, I thought I kept waiting for him to come out. I mean, I don't follow it that close. Yeah. I like, in a way, I almost go to watch a good college game.
Well, I like to watch good college.
You gotta go back.
I'm still watching.
You're on a vacation.
I just don't like it.
You don't have to be
So
in
who's that, the Cowboys? Who are they playing? Raiders.
Are you eating Shirley or anything?
I don't know.
No.
Bang!
Sure.
Yeah, stay for lunch. I can whoop her now. She can't beat me up anymore. I can whoop her. Yeah, I can. That's the fine.
If I don't, it's gonna be an awful lot better.
Yeah. Bill already got enough for me.
You'll get one of us two together.
See, look at how much taller I am than her now. Look at that.
I love it. Oh, here we go. See, would you guys do me a dear favor and get together and say hi to Jordan and Sarah?
Hi, Jordan. Hi, Sarah. Hi, Ryan.
Hi, Jordan. Hi, Ryan. We miss you.
Wherever you want.
Are they gonna eat?
Huh?
Are they gonna eat?
Well, they want to ride.
Let's feed them so then they'll stay longer.
Stop. Yeah, all right.
We could injure Jane. Would you stay here?
Thank you. You ever eat pumpkin seeds, Jane?
You know what I have? Are they roasted?
They're good.
I'll try some. Oh, well then I probably won't like it.
You were just kidding.
Well, you talk about those guys are both good passers. Whoa. I mean, they didn't score a lot. I don't. That's pretty low scoring game.
Tony Curry. Tony Curry and Luke Fletcher.
Who's that? What is that? Egg. Oh, that's a bird. Hi, Brad.
Hey, Brad. How you doing, guy?
Good.
How are you?
Talk a little bit, Brian.
I got it.
Oh, look at Heather.
Sarah wanted.
There's Heather right there.
No, Sarah wanted.
Hey, Jordan.
Yeah.
I'll give you a nice tasty treat. Hey, can I go to your car phone? Should ride your dog.
We did, but he couldn't keep up with the motion.
I like it.
You want your microphone?
How you use that one?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, look out.
Okay, yeah.
Look at that.
I think I'd love these.
Are you narrating? Come on now. You always
It's
give it to me then.
self-explanatory. You don't
Don't
need
talk.
narration. This is the family.
Tell us what you like best about Lawrence, Jane.
I do like Lawrence.
I do.
I like it's downtown. It's down home.
I like. Oh.
A little expensive,
Hopefully it's all equals out.
Who grades Rachel Cotton?
I love it. You know,
Rachel Cotton. Rachel Cotton's a senior.
I thought she was.
yeah, we went to nothing but ice, or everything but ice, and we went to.
That was.
That's not bad. That's
They had a whole deal there. Hey, Mom, did you take him to that place over by Dos Hombres? All that antiques where you go under that building? The flea market?
Yeah. No, we went into the antique mall.
Oh, you should take him. Boy, you talk about antiques. That just goes forever under there.
That's not open on Sunday.
I think it is. I don't know.
Pulled her down like this, and they shot her that way. And she went up and hit the what the hell did they do? Can't believe it.
Hey, Pat, did you see what Emily made?
Huh?
I put that outside for the 4th of July.
Oh, like cute.
Then this little American flag on a stick,
Yeah?
and it just sticks out here.
That's
Unfurl that baby.
You know, there's a guy over there at Tom and Oxy made one of them. Where's where she got the idea? $30 to sell it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they
Well, where do you get the wood? Oh, yeah, I just took it down, went down one yard and I said, I want a board this tall and one this big, and I said, would you nail it so I can, on a board? And so he did.
cute, huh?
Well, that's exactly like you'd find in a craft place. You know, I saw the cutest, it was a rabbit hole. It was made out of an old fence post, an old-fashioned fence post, about that big around. With hands about that high.
Yeah?
Very
So
nice.
they went for that, and so it's dry. And then she didn't get married, and she went up and did it. Well, his is private farm. I bought these when I
We went up to, we're going up to Park, and we drove by it, this guy was out in my garage. This was in the summertime. He was painting all these things on the,
They got a place in the city out the mall.
and the sky was not big enough deal, but like that.
Everything is
And he was painting red.
No name, chicken noodle soup.
I like it. Like my Annie, I've been thinking, I want to make another Annie. I just like my bottle wants an Annie so bad, but I just think you can't find a tree.